Well, hello everyone and welcome to another video of QuickLearn. And tonight we're going to be learning how to goal seek, how to use the goal seek function. So the main point of using the goal seek function is to determine basically or set one particular cell's value to a value that you desire by changing the value in another cell. So what we're going to be doing now is quickly get into this. We're going to go to the data tab. We're going to go to the what if analysis and we're going to use the goal seek function. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting this cell, which is the total, to a value of, say, for instance, 12,000 by changing cell number E4, for example. Okay? As soon as you click OK, it's going to work on its own. It's going to give you that value of 12,000 and it has changed value 3 in cell number E4. Similarly, if you want to do the same thing for instance, this cell, which has an average formula inserted in this cell, what we're going to be doing is, again, go to the goal seek function, set cell, which is this one, to value, for instance, 2,500 by changing cell value 4, which is E5. And there you have it. It does the calculation for you. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.